All right, guys and gals, welcome to another video. So on the lift behind me, we got a cold start here. Cold start. We've got a Capella Rotary 4-door sedan, genuine rotary car, very nice. And we're finishing it up for a couple of friends of ours in Oz. And yeah, man, good customers. This is also a mate of ours. And so we built a 12A Bridgie, and the theme around this Capella is that these gentlemen were lucky enough to buy spares that was owned by Willie Hepburn. So these are 12A spares that he ported and used and raced back in the day. So they've got massive bridges, monster ports, and yeah, so they're building a tribute car to take to Oz, to give a bit of a history on our circuit racing in South Africa and Willie Hepburn. So the idea behind this is they're going to livery it like a Group 1 car, the Allo Motors cars and all that Willie raced. So pretty cool idea behind it. I think it's top notch. And so we built a sweet 12A Bridgie IDA carby. But what we're going to do today, we're going to start building the exhaust and do some fab work. And I'm going to take a bit of a video of it. So yeah, stick around, guys. Let's do it. So here we have that beautiful 12A Bridgie. And man, it's ported quite nicely, nice and square. Massive bridge in the inside. And running one of our billet rear counterweights. The assembly has been dynamically balanced. Very cool, very sweet. So this plate has been done by Willie Hepburn back in the day, as well as the rotor housings, the exhaust ports. So it's we just assembled it with our rotating assembly, and it's going into that blue Capella. It's very cool. And then as well, we've got this super single billet RE 7 1/4 competition clutch and flywheel. Man, we manufacture these bad boys in-house along with our billet flywheels, nice and light, keeps the RPM up. And so what's nice, what we love about these clutches we manufacture, man, they feel good on the pedal, and they release predictable. So when your foot's going off the clutch, it doesn't bite, it doesn't jump, it just releases nice and easy. So we're quite proud of these, and they're doing the job quite well. We've had them, they handle loads of ponies. So yeah, man, so this and that is going on to that and going in there. Pretty sweet, ain't it? Drop it. Bye bye, Tlachi.
Right.
Ja, zo. Drop it, okay. Oh yeah. Let me get like die del hieronder.
Ja, is niet waar, Janne. Kijk, dat is tot een beetje vorentoe. Dat is jap.
Okay. Jetzt, wag nie sakkie. Oh. So we've got the flange on there and starting to put the bends in. So I'm gonna build the rear runner first, as it's obviously shorter. So I'm gonna give it a run. I'm gonna give it a run that goes up and over, and so we can give it some length. I know there's a lot of stuff regarding equal length runners and all that. I feel just a good rule of thumb is to try and keep them equal. So the rear one I'm building first, going to take it up, down, plane it out, and get it into the Y piece, and then we'll come with the front runner out of the motor straight into it. So that's the plan. So let's see how that goes for us, and yeah, let's try. Alright, so we tagged it there, and we line it up with two marks like that. Very primitive, but it helps you clock it up. And we're going to tag this, and then set it back in the flange and see where we end up. So let's give it a bit of tag there. Yeah. Looking good. So we've got it set up there, back into the flange, and yeah man, the lighting is pretty poor, but you get the gist of it. Alright guys, so yeah, we've got some nice V-band clamps for the system, and I already built the crotch. So let me show you guys how that looks, how that panned out, and so yeah, here's how it's looking. So cool. So here we've got the Y piece, the crotch, or whatever you'd like to call it. So the two runners will enter there, and some nice V-bands. Some nice V-bands to go on it. So we're going to be running 2-inch headers into a 2.5-inch mid pipe and back end. Man, so it's not ideal, but it's a road car and it's a 12A bridgie, so it's not really, you know, it doesn't need anything more than this, and it'll give it a good sound, and it's a street car, so obviously no loud pipes will be frowned upon by the neighbors, definitely. So yeah, this stuff makes it very easy to line up your exhaust system, and has a good seal on them as they're recessed. Obviously everyone knows what these are, so yeah, let's get that flange onto that crotch and join that to the rest of the header. So now we need to connect this to the rest of the system by putting it in a joint right there somewhere and making it sit quite nice and tucked up right there. We'll see how we clock it, you know. So maybe we're gonna clock it this way and keep it nice and flat, so there's no scraping going on when you're going over speed bumps and all those lacquer things. And so yeah, see how that pans out. Oh yeah guys, so there we have it. Yeah man, alright, so we've got lacquer clearance all over. It's quite tight over there, but it follows the silhouette quite nicely going up there. Yeah, so there we have it. Now to do this runner, and so that's the front runner, gotta make its way all the way to there. So yeah man, it looks quite sweet. What do you guys think? So yeah, let me get that front runner in, and then the branch is basically done. The header is done. You just need to sort out the mid pipe and then the rear end. Alright guys, so 112A bridgie header done, and so I'll measure them up, but I think we're like within 10 mils of each runner, but yeah, it looks pretty good. We're gonna drop it on the engine now, and we're gonna do the mid pipe next, and the rear section after that. But yeah, I think it came out quite nice, and yeah man, the V-bands always make it look very nice, and yeah, tell me what you guys think. Yeah, she's tucked up nice and close, and very cool. Yeah man, it's always an issue, you know, winning enough clearance against the chassis and having enough clearance for speed bumps and all kinds of obstacles in the road. So it's always a fight. Alrighty, so yeah man, radiator is in it. Done the water pipes, so we built them out of stainless. Carby is on the intake, and let me guys show you real quick. Oh yeah, branchy. The header is on the engine, and the rest of the system just needs to go back on. Yeah, man, so close. Bit of wiring. Need to do the oil filter housing. Put an oil filler pipe. Put the dipstick. Get some oil in her. Do some wiring. Put in the dizzy. And yeah, man, some fuel lines, and then we have it running. So we're getting there. Oops. So we forgot to blank off that oil feed over there, and oh, it made a right old mess, man. Oh, it started first kick though. That's a good thing. But yeah, oil all over the show. It's got oil pressure as well. Okay, guys. So yeah, give us a second so we can just blank off that that feed over there, and yeah, we'll try that again. Out of fuel. Okay. Alright, there it is, all done up. It's a bit of a ugly duckling, but yeah, man, these guys will probably finish it up real good. As I said, they're planning on building a type of Willie Hepburn replica. So, man, we built a beautiful exhaust system over here, and man, did the engine. Nice 12A bridgie, and oh, looks good, looks right at home. So yeah, obviously the nice thing around this car is it's a genuine rotary car, so man, it's pretty cool. So yeah, there we have it, one Capella Rotary with a 12A bridgie that was done, the bridge port and the porting work by Willie Hepburn back in the day. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's yeah, it's a bit of an odd video. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and it was for free, so good job everyone. See you in the next one.